Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send camera roll videos as snaps on Snapchat. So first, open the Snapchat app on your device, whether it may be on iPhone or Android. Now on the camera screen, press and hold on the capture button to take a video. Next, click on the plus icon beside the recorded video here. At the right side, you will see different options. Tap on the picture icon, the camera roll videos will appear. Scroll and select the video. Next, at the bottom right corner, click on the tick mark. Now, tap on the recorded video and then click on the trash icon. A pop-up will appear. Tap on delete to confirm. After that, click on the preview button. The video will be added to the camera screen. Then tap on the send to option. Now, your friends list will appear. Scroll and select the contact. Next, click on the side arrow icon to send the video. Then the video will be shared as a snap video indicating purple color, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.